Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now I will go to Sulu, Philippines. Yes, this is my first time traveling to Sulu and I'm alone. I will visit my husband and daughter there. So how to go to Sulu? I will give you an idea then.
So high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
The main way to get to the province of Sulu is by ferry. By riding an overnight ferry from Zamboanga City, you get to ride for at least 8 to 9 hours and wake up arriving in Hulu Port. For non-aircon, it usually costs 775 pesos to 860 pesos depending on the shipping lines you will be boarding. For me, I rode the MV Bounty from Ibn Rizam shipping lines and it cost only 775 pesos. But there is also other vessel going there from Montenegro shipping lines and its cost is higher than MV Bounty, I think. But you can choose between aircon and non-aircon.
So high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
So ayan, madaling araw na and papalapit na tayo sa Hulu Port. So ang biyahe ko naman ay napaka-smooth overnight. Ang dagat ay napakapayapa, walang malaking alon. Alhamdulillah. So after few minutes, magkikita na kami ng asawa ko kasi siya yung magsusundo sa akin sa port, inshallah. So ayan, pasyal-pasyal na tayo mamaya. Ayan, nakikita ko na ang isla. Unlike kagabi, wala talaga akong makita ang isla. Kaya ito na. At saka nakikita ko na rin ang sunrise. O, diba? So, malapit na tayo. Malapit na tayo sa daungan. And I'm excited to see my husband. Haha. Ayan po. So, heto na, dumating na tayo sa Hulo. So, first time kong pumunta dito, hindi ko kabisado ang lugar, kaya aantayin ko muna ang asawa ko bago ako bababa sa barko. Kasi ilang years na kaming kasal, pero ngayon lang ako nakarating dito sa Hulo, Sulu. Bibisitahin ko yung asawa ko at saka yung anak ko, and at the same time imimit ko na rin yung mga kamag-anak niya. So thank you for watching.